Using baking soda for foot calluses. Foot calluses, even if they might not clinically be considered an infection or a disease, are rather unpleasant and not something you wish to experience. Caused often due to the friction or some other external cause to the arch of your foot, they are quite common and need to be taken care of right away. If not, they could start to develop quite an unpleasant smell, causing infections, and also be a source of embarrassment, even social stigma. How baking soda can help with foot calluses. If you have tried different remedies and products to no avail but still have a tough time getting rid of these annoying spots of skin, baking soda can be quite a miracle treatment when it comes to foot calluses. You should also consider that foot calluses are not only something many people experience, but they can also be an indication of an unhealthy diet or an unhealthy lifestyle. Therefore, if you do not want to experience another episode, you should focus on daily stretching exercises, relaxation, and regular massage of your own feet. This is a mandatory step for preventing future incidents of calluses and for keeping one of your feet smooth and beautiful. Coming back to our treatment, baking soda is a great way to take care of calluses because it is very effective in normalizing the pH level of the foot. Also, if you apply it on a regular basis, the accumulated debris from the heel of the foot and also the dead skin cells from under the feet and around the toenails will be removed, thanks to the peeling effect created by the application of baking soda. This will help you better treat the other skin issues and to reduce the risk of developing other small wounds or infections on the same spot of your feet. Also, this can aid in the healing of wounds that might have been caused by an injury sometime in the past. Steps to use baking soda for foot calluses. In the following sections, we will describe the procedures you should take in order to effectively treat your calluses with baking soda, a common and rather inexpensive ingredient that can be included in the list of your family medicine cabinet, and that you can use without risking your health or your wallet. 1. Mix baking soda with warm water. First things first, you should mix a small amount of warm water with 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda in a small bowl. It is not recommended that you use more than the recommended amount of baking soda, as it could have a great dehydrating effect on the skin of your feet, but feel free to adjust the ratio accordingly to suit your needs. It is best to keep this ratio to a reasonable amount, so you are not just putting your foot into baking soda. Ensure that the ingredients are blended well and that the mixture properly covers the surface of the problem areas. 2. Soak callus-ridden feet and toenails. Next, you should soak the callus-ridden feet and the toenails in the mixture. Leave the feet and toenails exposed to the baking soda solution for at least 10 minutes, but keep in mind that you will have to do it frequently if you want to achieve results, since calluses are caused by the accumulation of dead skin cells, so you might need to do it more than twice a week or daily in some acute cases. This is not going to throw the natural pH balance of your feet, and it is not going to cause terrible skin damage to your feet, quite the contrary. Also, unlike many chemical-based treatments, there is no risk of developing nasty or bad-smelling feet after using this great home therapy, and you might even be able to reduce the amount of time you need to spend using the solution. But be reminded that this natural remedy isn't going to cure your calluses overnight. You have to be consistent in treating them, but you will see great results within 3 to 4 days, and the results of using this treatment will be far better than any other treatment you might have tried before. 3. Gently rub the area. After soaking the area of your foot with baking soda and warm water, you should gently rub the area so that dead skin cells are broken down and can be exfoliated and removed. This will remove your calluses naturally, and it will do it much faster than if you were to try doing this manually. However, don't overdo it, and keep in mind that gentle pressure is all you need to achieve results. Exerting extra pressure on the spot will not only be counterproductive, but it can also create a great risk of damaging the skin on the bottom of your feet, which will be quite painful to begin with, but if it is not remedied in due time, it could also become infected. So, keep things simple, stay safe, and be regular in your treatment in order to achieve great results in the near future. 4. Rinse the solution with clean water. After the 10 minutes of exposure to the baking soda solution are over, you should rinse your feet and toenails with clean water. This will make sure that you have removed the residue from your feet and that you have not applied it anywhere else. After rinsing the baking soda solution, you should dry your feet and hands thoroughly. Once dried, you should apply a moisturizing lotion to your feet. This will not only help them from getting dry and itchy, but it will also protect them from getting any future skin problems. You might even want to consider using a natural sauna to give your feet real pampering, but for the time being, you can use gloves and socks made of natural materials and avoid rough surfaces until you can properly enjoy your smooth and well taken care of feet. Conclusion: while there are so many products on the market for treating foot calluses, none of them can as effectively allow you to take care of your feet in the easiest and the most natural way possible, while still achieving great results in a very short amount of time. We hope you enjoyed this article and you found it helpful.